Good morning and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Ívar here. Today we are going to figure out how to prepare a tube, a brass tube that has no plastic inside. That is very important to put this in the tube so it will hold the hook. This silicone part will do that, and we'll just cut that off there with the knife, so it stands out like a centimeter or so. Then we have to put the whole tube into the butt of the brass tube, take it all the way through until you reach the stop at the end of it, right there. And when you have it all the way, you need to cut there, like a half a centimeter above, like there. And we'll do that by just cutting it off like this, and it's ready. And after that we have to melt the end of the trim, and that's something which we will be doing with a lighter. Use the blue part of the flame to do it. It's really the best part. Do it like that. Take the lighter away, get a needle immediately and place the end of the needle in and push it in, so it's definitely not going to be melted like a locked end. The needle slips through and it's perfectly fine. It cools down and it will protect your leader and everything. Absolutely. So we are done today, and thanks for watching.